Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman and Cat Kid, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 4, An Aching Kind of Growing.
Hi, I'm Sarah Hackoff, the world's greatest reporter. Today is the first day of shooting for the new Dogman movie, and the crowds are bursting with excitement. Hooray! Let's meet some of the fans. Oh look, it's Li'l Petey.
Hi Sarah, hi Lulu.
You must be the nanny. Are you excited about the Dogman movie?
Dogman movie? That's the dumbest movie idea ever!
Be nice, Suzu.
Yeah, be nice, Zozo!
Oh look, here come the stars. Wow, it's international action hero Dingo Magoo.
I'll be playing Dogman. Dogman doesn't have muscles.
Next, it's Yolanda Caprice. She'll be playing me. Viva Italia! But I'm Australian. Here comes Samson J. Johnson as Chief.
Enough is enough! I'm had it with these doggone actors in this doggone level!
And finally, it's comic superstar Scooter McRibs.
Hiya dummies, I'll be playing Petey the Cat.
That guy doesn't look anything like me. Like Petey.
And now, let's into the studio and go behind the scenes. Wow, look at all this stuff. These miniature buildings are so realistic. Ooh, and what are these?
These are the robotic hot dogs for the big action scene in Act 3. And check out the pièce de résistance.
It's Billy the Gyro!
Nah, it's just another robot we built. I control them all with this complicated remote.
Gee, that seems like it could be dangerous if the remote fell into the wrong hands.
That would never happen. I guard this baby with my life. Lunch break! Hey, look out! Well, come on, darling. It's time to go.
Bye-bye. Are we going home?
No way. We're gonna have some fun. Rats! The door's locked. Hey, go through this pet flap and unlock the door.
Gee, I don't know.
Do it for fun.
Yeah, but
Do it for adventure.
I know, but
Do it for Papa. Wow, look at all this stuff. Finally, I can kick off these high heels, dump this old lady disguise, and start dressing like my true self. A filthy, rotten, low-down, good-for-nothing, deplorable, contemptible, despicable, loathsome, detestable, ignominious supervillain. And now, it's your turn. We start with a mask, then add a cape, and finish with retractable steel claws. Triple fliporama. Ready? Dude, we are totally rocking these bad guy costumes.
this is just for pretend though, right?
Sure, kid. It's all just make-believe.